Cooper&Hunter introduces its STLS model portable inverter AC. The STLS is a great solution for auxiliary air conditioning to keep you cool while repairs are being done at your home. When you have your in-laws or friends visiting, while you are renovating, or your AC is simply not working, this unit is ideal for heating, cooling, and dehumidification. It can cool spaces of up to 600 square feet. The hose-in-hose design enables the STLS to form indoor air circulation to prevent hot air from seeping back in through the windows and doors, cooling the room more quickly and effectively. The STLS introduces a variable speed motor that allows this system to achieve 20% more cooling capacity and 40% energy savings. The Cooper&Hunter Inverter Portable AC offers 3-in-1 function, cools, heats, and dehumidifies your spaces. Omnidirectional caster, self-evaporating system, easy installation, self-diagnosis and auto protection, 24-hour timer, refrigerant leakage detection, convenient handle. You can control the device using the C&H remote app, or you can connect to Alexa or Google Home. And it is backed with a 2-year warranty. The STLS does not require professional installation. You plug it in, set up your hose, and you are good to go. If you lose your cool, the STLS will keep you cool regardless the situation.